bells is here. It's distribution company. Nobody's here. Maybe it's open, no? What is this? What is this? I don't know. Okay, 3 hours. Okay. I think they may order on Subway. I like Subway orders because it's small, simple, and easy to pay and drop. So we have the order 745. გამარჯობა. 745. მიწერს 45. ო, მიწერს რომ ზადარიო და. მადლობა. აი ხარ. Okay, we have two sandwich Italians. Okay. So let's go. We have to 1 kilometer 4 minutes from here, and okay, let's check here. See what she doing? Tax on my maybe up here. Let's check. It's 15 or 15, yeah, 15 tries. Okay, take the order. And go. So the ring bell on the right side. This or this one? I think this one. How many Oh my god. How many bells is here? It's distribution company. Nobody's here. Maybe it's open, no? What is this? What is this? I don't know. Okay, 3 hours. Nah, what's happened? Oh, they open the door. Maybe cow. Okay, I'm in. So take this. What? I think it's 6 because what? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not 6. It's not 6, 6. It's this 7. Okay. Check on. Let's check. Okay. Come on. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Okay, we complete another another order. Let's check more. So 2-3 horse more I will work today. So total it's maybe 5, not 6. Today it's 6 hours, and I will make like $14. In dollar it's 40.